We all float down here. Except for you. Can't even.
What's up, you guys? I'm Charmx. Today I'm gonna be reacting to Yo Mama So Old Pennywise by Yo Mama. Now, this is not a try to laugh challenge, and I reacted to a video recently by Yo Mama, but it was a try to laugh challenge. So this one I can actually laugh in. So hopefully these jokes are gonna be quite funny. I don't know what Yo Mama So Old and Pennywise, like, what does my mama and Pennywise have to do with each other? I don't know. I guess the theme is Pennywise based, something like that. I don't know, but anyway, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up, possibly share with a friend. Without any friggin', let's just begin. I can't. I'm stroking out. It's too early in the day. What the frick? What was that? What kind of way to start a video was that? Just some fucking skeleton horrors. All right.
Yo mama. Yo mama's so old. She was Pennywise's first victim.
That's pretty old. That is pretty old. Because Pennywise comes out every, what, like 30 years or something like that? And who knows how long Pennywise has been doing it, right? So it's really old.
I'm so hungry. I could even eat a dead horse.
Oh, that's how the...
But I guess you'll do.
Love yo mama? And make sure to like our videos. Yo mama's so ugly. She's the reason Pennywise lives in the sewers.
Are you looking for your... Oh, hell no. Not doing this one.
Thought he already did. That was the first joke.
Your mama's so stupid. She thought Pennywise was an ATM.
Want your checking account, stupid mama? Want your checking account? I only repeat myself because you really do not seem that eager.
Reminds me of Patrick Star.
Yo mama's so fat. When Pennywise saw her, he said,
We all float down here. Except for you. You can't even fit in the sewer.
That's a pretty mean joke. But at the same time, I think that's like the funniest one so far. So, I don't know, you gotta pick your poison, I guess.
Yo mama's so old. She used to babysit Apocalypse.
I am Apocalypse. Look upon the future and tremble, all who oppose me. No, it is not my bedtime.
Yo mama.
In Soviet Russia.
I don't think I've ever seen it in Soviet Russia joke before. Of course I've heard them before, but I don't think I've ever seen any in a Yo Mama video.
America, you beat a dead horse.
I should make another Five Nights at Freddy's joke.
Is that a, I wouldn't say fourth wall breach, but kind of like I don't know, a self-realization joke or something like that. That's what it seems like. I don't know. I guess he made a lot of jokes of Five Nights at Freddy's in the past. I guess I don't know.
In Soviet Russia, dead horse beats you.
That's a lot more terrifying.
Oh, you're getting your dead juices all over me!
That's actually terrifying. What the frig? Wow.
Yo mama's so old! She was the first security guard at Fredbear's Family Diner. And she knew Chica when she was just a Chica. Now isn't that just
So I guess he did make a lot of Five Nights at Freddy's joke in the past.
adorable? Ow! My finger! Yo mama's so old! When she listened to Skrillex, she died!
Has that actually happened to anyone before, where someone listened to, like, you know, dubstep and someone actually, you know, croaked?
Yo mama's so old! When I told her to act her age, she freaking died!
That's a funny joke. I like that. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. There were a lot of funny jokes in this, and some of them really didn't make any sense. But there were a bunch in here that I liked, and I hope you guys like this. And if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, possibly share with a friend if you do, and subscribe and join the family. Also, make sure you guys go subscribe to Yo Mama. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Boop.